guy simply sells simple infographics for $10. He says, I will design professional custom infography for you for $10. This sells it for $40, this for $60. Other people sell it on Instagram and make a lot of money from it, which I will show you in this video. Look, simply come to this website called flaticom.com. Look, everything that guy is selling is here, flaticom.com. Now, I'm going to show you how to merge these tools together in this video and how you can actually make a lot of money from it. At this point, you're still not making money online. You truly need this video, and that's why I'm making this video. Now, I want to show you a simple Instagram business model I've implemented, and I made at least 50,000 naira every single week. That's about $45 every single week of the month and of the year. That's about 52 weeks in a year, and this happens recurrently, and it's a very simple business model. Now look at something on my screen. First, a simple business pitch I have done on Instagram. It says, my name is Phil from Impact Academy. After a very constructive and objective look at your wonderful brand, we realize that you deserve to be seen and heard by a bigger audience, and hence our service. We would like to give your brand an improved awareness through shout outs on my channel that has over 15k views weekly. Now, this is what the client has to say. Hi Phil, it's nice of you to have reached out. We're very interested in your offer because we've been trying to achieve this feat internally. Please let's schedule a Google meeting and talk terms. This is my response. That will be a pleasure. Please send me your official email so I can email a link. What date would be perfect for you? Now I send mail messages like this to people on Instagram, at least a minimum of 10 or 5 or sometimes even 15, depending on how free I am, every single day of the week. Now, sometimes, of course, they don't reach out, they don't get back to me as often as possible, but I actually get clients every single week of the month. Now, simple. I want to show you what you can sell to this client and what I give to this client. I have a YouTube channel. You do not have a YouTube channel. So what can you give? It's very simple. Follow me to my screen. What you want to first do is come to this website. I want to show you very quickly. Now you want to come to this website, it's called flaticom.com. Now on flaticom.com, you can download free icons and stickers for your project images made by and for designers in PNG. Now you can access up to 13.9 million plus vector icons and stickers. And this is quite important for anyone who wants to offer a service for people on Instagram. Now there are two ways you can actually monetize this. One is by Instagram. The second one is on Upwork or on Fiverr. But first of all, let's focus on Instagram because that's one of the ways I have generated more income faster, because that's also going to be faster for you. So you're on flaticom.com. What you want to do here, depending on your niche or industry, you want to come here and type on business. So when you type on business, you just click on search. Now, first of all, a disclaimer is here. You would need to log in or sign up for more, right? But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on flaticom.com and business. Now it's going to bring out certain business icons for me. Now hold on a minute. I'm also going to show you how you can actually make this monetizable. Now there are different business icons here. You can see that these are various business icons. Now one other thing you would need to do to implement this is to go on another website I call canva.com. Canva gives you options, different templates that you can use. Now we're focused on Instagram because basically what you want to do is to offer services on Instagram. Now basically what you want to do is to come here and click on Instagram, but before then it's important that I show you what you can actually do to actually make this money, what service you need to render. Now I have showed you my conversation with a client. Now what you want to do when you come on Instagram is simply come to your Instagram page and come to the search icon and search for businesses. What you want to search for is, let's say we search for catering. Now there are a number of people that are going to be showing here. You see Creamy Kitchen Catering, Culinary Work Catering, Savory Meals Catering, services in Lagos, etc. Now I'm just going to click on one randomly and see what it shows us. Give it a minute, it's going to load. I'm just going to click on one. You can see this person has 2,700 followers and it's following about 2,171. Now you can see there are various services, very beautiful services. This is a flyer that was designed for them basically. Now what you want to do is to look at this website, this Instagram handle carefully. This is also a design that was designed for them carefully. Now, if you notice very carefully, you'd realize that all this page post is basically food and what they sell. Now, you can actually come to the DM of this vendor and message this vendor requesting to offer a service to the vendor. Now carefully, what I want to offer to this vendor is social media management. But come here and message the owner of this business and say, hi. You need to know that nobody does not want more clients. Everybody wants more clients. It's possible that this business already has a social media manager, but of course they would want to do more. They would want to reach more people. They would want to create more awareness. Now that you've done that, now I'm not going to send this message because I'm not about to offer that service. I'm just using this as an analogy for you to see. Now that we've done that, assuming this client actually responds to you, because you do this for at least 10 clients every single day. There are so many vendors on Instagram, so many people looking to have people manage their social media adequately for them. Now that you've done this, all you have to do is to come back to our website, which is where canva.com. And you want to come to canva.com, and assuming you've been given this, how do you create this content? How do you actually monetize this skill? How do you use Flaticom? Now, very simple. You want to come here and click on Instagram. You can see the beautiful thing about Canva. In my opinion, Canva is the best website out there because it helps you do a million things. It helps you. I have made over $15,000 on Canva, if I am not mistaken, using Canva. Because you use Canva for Instagram social media marketing, you use Canva for thumbnail, I use Canva to create my presentation, I use Canva to create my one-on-one courses that I teach clients and certain businesses that require business consulting. Now, without further ado, we're going to click on this Instagram post square such that every post you make is going to be tailor-made for Instagram, right? And then boom, it's going to bring us here. Now, this is the color of our background, right? So let's assume your business is probably trying to do a giveaway. You're just quickly gonna come here and click on this and click on and type first quarter giveaway. Front of this, buy one and get one. Now, what we want to do with Flaticon is that you get different icons from Flaticon. Now, usually this is something people actually struggle to get. These icons you have to pay to get it, but Flaticon actually offers you this icons for free. Now you can see for buy one get one, you can just simply come here and look for an icon that actually suits what you're offering. So for instance, buy one get one, in my opinion, this would be good. This would be good for it. So you're just going to come here and click on download. You download PNG, free download, there's premium download, or there's free download. This website, Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com basically allows you to sell to people. So you come to Canva.com and therefore infography design. You're going to see different people who offer the services. I will design an exclusive infographic within 24 hours. So like you see here, this is an infographic. It says I will design professional custom infography for you. Now, everything I've shown you, you can actually get from Flaticom.com. Everything I've shown you, you can actually get using Flaticom.com. All you have to do is to leverage the two websites I'm showing you in this video, and that's about all you need. So clearly, you can see this is exactly what I showed you in the video. Basically, all of these are infographic and icons that have been used. Two websites you need to achieve this. Like I said earlier, again, is Flaticom.com and your canva.com, and you are good to go. And